Hi guys, I'm Lucy from BookWidgets, and in this video I'll show you 5 amazing interactive reading lesson examples made with BookWidgets. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Know that everything I'm about to show you, you can create by yourself as well. The first lesson idea is a split worksheet exercise that is automatically created too. In this reading exercise, students have to read a letter and answer questions about the content. They read the letter on one side and fill out the questions on the other side. Again, you can create these lessons by yourself with BookWidgets. Just go to bookwidgets.com and get started. Of course, you can do more with this type of exercise. In the split worksheet, you can also include a PDF file as a text. This means that students can read a completely formatted text or article without you having to copy it. Check out the example. Here students have to read a complete fiction story about grasshoppers and answer the questions on the left side. Again, this is an automatically graded exercise and students get immediate feedback. Reading lesson number 3 is created with a split whiteboard. It's a bit different but still perfect for reading exercises. You can still add a text that students have to read on one side of the widget. The other side is where the magic happens. It's a whiteboard on which students can draw, write and add images. Here's an interactive reading exercise about describing a person. Students have to read the text and dress up the characters based on the description in the text. Also check out this other lesson example based on the structure of the same split whiteboard widget. Here students have to read rote instructions and replicate them in the correct way on the whiteboard background image. Fun, right? The last example is not just a small example, it's a complete WebQuest. Here students read through your text in order to find the Halloween murderer. They have to gather clues by investigating the crime scene, questioning the suspects and playing games. In the end, if they've read it all correctly, they will be able to find the murderer. You can all use these lesson examples I just mentioned. I posted a link to the description below. And of course, again, you can create them yourself as well. That's it. I hope this video inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!